Want a garden that thrives all year long? The secret is knowing exactly what to plant each month. In this video, I'll break down a seasonal gardening guide so you can enjoy fresh harvests all year round. No guesswork, just proven planting tips. Let's get into it. January, February, winter prep. Focus on planting and starting seeds indoors like tomatoes, peppers, and herbs. Outdoors, you can plant cold hardy crops like kale, spinach, and garlic in some zones. March, April, spring growth. It's time to plant cool season veggies. Lettuce, carrots, peas, broccoli, and onions. Flowers like marigolds and nasturtiums are great to attract pollinators and repel pests. May, June, early summer. Plant warm season crops like tomatoes, cucumbers, beans, peppers, and corn. Herbs such as basil, dill, and cilantro thrive in warmer temps. July, August, high summer. Keep harvesting, but also start second rounds of fast growers like lettuce, radishes, and zucchini. In hot climates, consider heat-tolerant crops like okra, eggplant, and sweet potatoes. September, October, fall planting. Time for another cool season garden. Spinach, kale, cabbage, turnips, and beets. Garlic and onions can go in the ground now for next year's harvest. November, December, winter. In mild climates, keep growing greens like kale, arugula, and Swiss chard. Otherwise, focus on mulching, covering soil, and preparing for the next planting cycle. And that's your month-by-month gardening guide. By planting with the seasons, you'll keep your garden producing year-round and always have something fresh on your plate. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more gardening tips and comment below with what you're planting this month. Happy growing!